you like the snow? That's coldy.
They were standing in front of the door
I was
when
going to
we
show you
tried to
snow. I didn't
open it,
expect it to
and
fall
all the
on your
snow
head.
came tumbling in on their head.
Hi, Gustav. Yeah, you're a little happier, huh? Yeah. Hi, Darla. Yeah, you guys don't like the snow? Well, at least it melted a little, right? Alright, okay, let's go in. You ready? Alright, let's go. Ready to go in the house? Yeah? Alright, well, let's go. Come on. I'll follow you. That's it. Yeah, you're always talking. Yeah, and complaining. Grumpy Gus. Grumpy Gus.
Sorry about the glare on this video. The snow was reflecting back on the camera, so it's a little bit of a problem. The white on their fur seems to blend in with the snow.
Well, let's go. Yeah, I know. Complaining.